So I used to be a judge. Because my entire career has been public and motivational speaking, I was actually recruited to judge high school and even college level teams who are going to be performing and presenting on stage at the national competition level. And some of them in rooms that look just like this. And I gotta tell you, one of the most painful things was for me as a judge to have to witness college and even high school teams to get in front of a room that looked just like this, in front of me and my panel of judges, to have worked so hard on their ideas, on their business pitches, on their inventions, and then to freeze up as soon as they hit the stage, or to sweat bullets and bomb, all because they didn't have the courage, the confidence, or the tools to get in front of a room full of people and present their ideas. Look, here's the truth. Public speaking really is the #1 fear on the planet. And most students, most teams, most professionals are absolutely brilliant, but most of them fail because they do not have the skills, they don't have the know-how, they don't have the tools or the confidence to be able to own a room when they have to get in front of people and speak publicly. Whether their audience is 300 people or just an interview panel of 3 people. I'm talking about those moments when the stakes are absolutely high, everything is on the line, and you only have a sound bite of time to really make what you have to say count. So that's when I decided to pause everything and create this workshop called Confidence for the Spotlight. This is my way of helping people to be competition ready, speech ready, so that teams and even individuals can confidently own the room anytime they have to step in front of people and speak. I have made it my purpose to help people not just to overcome that stage fright, but to be masters at public speaking. In my workshops, I actually teach people the brain science behind how to fire up an audience of listeners to come on over to your side, to buy what you're selling. I even teach them how to dig deep and become self-aware and find their personal connection to their messages. I teach them how to present their ideas, their story, and even deliver their content in such a way that makes an impact with listeners, an impact that leaves their listeners wanting to hear more. So I actually started off my career as a public and motivational speaker, and I've now spoken to over about 100,000 students and even professionals nationwide. I've even spoken on the TED stage, one of the most respected platforms in the world. I even train TED speakers. I speak year-round at annual conferences. I lead workshops and masterminds for business owners and entire academic teams, teaching them these very skills. And I've even performed audience warm-ups for TV shows with live studio audiences. And I've now dedicated my career to helping individuals and teams have that very same confidence for the spotlight. People who train with me in my workshops win big every single time they have to hit the stage. Entire academic teams have won first place in national competitions. I train inventors and even doctors who are going to be on TV for the first time, and so many more. And I am convinced that this public speaking skill is the #1 human super skill to have if you want your teams or individuals to be confident and have the most success in life. It's the ability to be able to speak to your listeners in such a way that fires up their brains, gets them motivated to take inspired action on your behalf. This is the skill that will give you the killer advantage when you or your people have to compete out in the marketplace for jobs. Look, the truth is that some of the biggest opportunities in the world involve some sort of public presentation, and most people, because they're too afraid to hit that spotlight, they will back out, they will quit, they will leave the competition because they're too afraid to hit that spotlight and present. Listen, the big misnomer is that public speaking and the ability to get in front of a room and present and be motivational and be captivating, people think that that's just some gift that you have to be born with. But the truth is, it's not a gift that you have to be born with. This is actually a skill that you can learn, and it is required if you really want to be a leader in this world. So listen, maybe you or your students or your leadership teams or your group, maybe they don't have a big speech competition coming up anytime soon. But truth of the matter is, we're selling ourselves all the time. It's the elevator pitch. It's the interview. At some point in time, we are all going to have to step up to the stage somewhere and open up our mouths, present, and deliver. And you want them to be ready. You want them to succeed. So the only thing left to answer is, what are you going to leave them with? The best possible chance? The best preparation that's available? Or nothing? That is why I created this workshop. This is your opportunity to help them. Because in my workshops, we go through a series of activities that are specifically designed to help them to build confidence, to help them build on their self-awareness. I even teach them a proven system to help them craft and even master their elevator pitch, and even simplify it into a powerfully short statement. I teach them how to take their message or their sales pitch and stand out from a noisy crowd. I'm going to teach them the irresistibility factor, the factors that will make their message more memorable. I'm talking about those moments where the stakes are high and they've only got one shot to really make it count. I'm going to teach them how to deliver a standing ovation worthy message or even a pitch. They're also going to get the confidence and the chance to stand up in front of the room and even practice those skills right on the spot. And guess what? They're going to be excited to do it. Okay, pause. Now you might be thinking, now how in the world is this guy going to actually deliver all of those things in just a 2-hour workshop? Well, let me tell you, I've been doing this work for a long time, for at least 10 years. And after years worth of trial and error, after winning and failing, I finally mastered the system of how to teach the art and the heart of public speaking, and being able to train on and impart those lessons in a very short period of time. After my workshop, your groups are going to be magic on the mic. And as a special bonus, for every student that goes through my workshops, I'm even going to give them online access to my Video Learning Academy, where they will get exclusive access to my public speaking training videos. And they'll even be able to log in, they'll be able to learn more, and even ask me questions live long after the workshops have ended. Listen, my workshop on public speaking is the killer advantage. This is what's going to help them to be able to step out into the world and win anywhere they go, anytime they have to step in front of people and present. If you care about your students, your colleagues, or your teams, then this is the workshop you want to bless them with. And I know this for a fact. When you find your voice, you will find your fortune. So come on, click the link below, fill out the information, and let's work together. Let's get started.